Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to change the default language in EasyNotes to another language. Just go to EasyNotes and here choose the three-line menu in the top left corner. Click on it and find Settings, and here is a language. Click on it and choose a language you prefer and go select, and you can see that the um, language is now German, except for the things I have written because I've created my note with English language, so of course they will not be changed. Thanks for watching.